Hello everyone. Today we are talking about LaTeX, the powerful typesetting system used to write mathematical equations and symbols with precision and clarity. Unlike normal word processors, LaTeX is designed for academics, researchers, and engineers. It lets you create complex equations, fractions, integrals, and matrices without worrying about formatting issues. For example, writing a quadratic formula in LaTeX is as simple as typing a short command, and it automatically produces a professional mathematical expression. LaTeX also supports hundreds of symbols and notations used in science and engineering. The best part: LaTeX documents are consistent and scalable. Whether you're preparing a research paper, thesis, or presentation, your equations will look neat, sharp, and publication ready. In short, LaTeX is the go-to tool for anyone working with mathematics or technical writing. Mastering it saves time and ensures professional results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my assignment solution for more academic tips.